Hello sushi lovers, greeting from Sushi Man Santosh. In this sushi recipe video, I am gonna show you how to make rainbow dragon sushi roll with strawberry. This sushi making video I captured a long time before, so there is some noise and I'm really sorry for that. But I hope you will enjoy with this simple and easy sushi recipe. Okay, let's go to the content. Okay, now I'll make one very beautiful uramaki with strawberry, mango, cucumber and salmons. And it's dragon. It's a rainbow dragon. Okay, I'll make. I'll use the cucumber. And this is the mango. And I'll use the salmon. Okay, let's see. I'll close these ones. Now I have here neta of the salmons. Okay. Cut 9 pieces. Okay, let's see. Now I'll use the cream cheese. Strawberry. Use the cibolino, spring onion. Okay. And nice. Now finally my rainbow dragon is ready. Lots of video about the how to make carrot garnish for the sushi. Okay, finally I have that kind of sushi. Okay, finally my rainbow sushi roll is ready. It's look like it's very beautiful and delicious. Yeah, I have the wasabi, ginger free. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys. See you in the next video.